If you created clone or you're thinking about creating your AI video clone, but the eyes are a little wonky or you're afraid that it's going to look weird, this is the video for you. Now, normally when I come to you on my YouTube channel, it's Brittany AI who's delivering the message that I wrote. But today it's me, human Brittany, and I'm here because I'm seeing the same problem with clones again and again. The more people I see sharing their clones, the wonkier the eyes I'm seeing. If you have a clone or if you've seen a clone where the eyes are looking up or they're crossing or something else is happening with the eyes, I can tell you that 99% of the time, the problem is the person used a teleprompter. In this video, I'll not only tell you what to do instead, but I'm going to show you an example of how to record your sample video for your AI clone. Now, yes, of course, you could do photo to video clone, but I think that we all know that's not going to be as good as actually pulling from your movements. Every day it's getting better, but at least for right now, having a sample video to use for your video clone is going to be best. Now, like I said, a lot of people are using a teleprompter, and that's why their eyes are looking really weird. You may think, what am I going to talk about if I'm not using a teleprompter? Whenever I'm recording a sample video for my video clone, my goal is to look straight in the camera and say literally anything that comes to mind. I'm going to be honest, it feels a little awkward at first, but that's okay because literally no one else will ever see that video and it'll be a lot better for your clone. So put the teleprompter away. Next, you're going to look straight in the camera and you're going to say whatever comes to your mind. Normally, I talk about things I remember from growing up, things that I'm working on that I'm excited about. By talking about the things you're excited about, it's easier to bring in some of the natural movement and a little bit of emotion and passion to it as well. It feels more natural and it solves the problem of the eyes doing weird things. Now, there's a lot of other tips I can give you, like how you position your mouth, but we're going to have to wait for another day for that. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so you can see that video when it comes out. Now, let me show you how you record a sample video. Now I've recorded over 200 sample videos to test out to see what really works. So this is coming from quite a bit of testing and trial and error. Thankfully, you don't have to go through all of that. I've done it for you. Now, if you want all of my step-by-step training on how to get HeyGen to really look like you in your videos with your mouth and your eyes and your hand movements and everything, we have both a self-paced program and guided done with you program as well. Or if you prefer, I can fly to you and just do everything for you. Your choice. Those links are below. Here's how I record the video. Remember, you want it to be for at least 2 minutes. In this example, I'm going to just do about 10 to 20 seconds so you get what I'm going for without the awkwardness of me just sitting here and talking for 2 minutes. Ready? Here we go. Hey everybody, my name is Brittany Long and I'm so excited to be here today. There's a lot that I could talk about and I'm just going to talk about whatever comes to my mind. I grew up in a really small town in Illinois, and if you've been to Illinois, you know pretty much all of the towns are small towns, unless of course you're in Chicago. A lot of times when I talk to people about Illinois, they just assume, oh, Chicago, because that's what most people know. Okay, so that was an example of what I would start with. I try to start with something back from when I was growing up or something that will come easily to me. If there's something that you talk to people a lot about or people ask you a lot of questions about, that is great. Hey there, I'm Brittany Long, and I used to play volleyball. I really enjoyed playing volleyball. It was a lot of fun, but I took about a decade and a half long hiatus and it kicked my butt when I came back. Okay, so that was another quick sample of something I might talk about. Again, it's really whatever comes to my brain. I'm not trying to use this for other content. And that's one of the other mistakes that people make is that they'll try to use what they're creating for their HeyGen clone as other content. So that's one of the reasons they use a teleprompter is because they think, okay, I'll just repurpose this. This is not a situation where you want to repurpose what you're creating. If you're trying to think of the perfect thing to say, it's going to be hard to get a natural sounding video. And because with HeyGen clones, you don't want to take a cut video where you say one thing, a few sentences, then have a little cut and then go to the next one. It's going to really mess up the video. It's important that you just say whatever comes to your mind. Use that quick tip to help you create better HeyGen videos. And if it helps, tag me. Can't wait to see it. Again, my name is Brittany Long. I'm an AI cloning expert. And if you want to create your own clone that actually looks like you, click the links in the description below.